Camping is a great way to spend time with the family, a great way to decompress and relax. Whether it's sitting by a fire, grilling delicious food, or just enjoying nature. You want to make sure all of your equipment functions as it should and doesn't leave you stuck on the side of the road. So before you hook up that trailer or get the motorhome ready for your trip, we can fix any issues you may have. From oil changes, tires, to axles and more, Brighton is your go-to shop to help keep your trip on schedule. Whether it's a travel trailer, horse trailer, Class A or C motorhome, or even a Prevost bus or Super C motorhome, we have you covered. So call Brighton today to schedule that service or replace those worn out tires, and don't lose a day to waiting on roadside assistance. Whatever your choice of vehicle, from the family truckster to the biggest motorhome, let us help you keep it in optimal condition.